Hey guys, I have some exciting news to share with you today. Today in the mail, I received the first copy of the complete financial history of Berkshire Hathaway from HarperCollins India. Happy to announce that we have an edition coming to the Indian subcontinent starting next week, right in time for festival season. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and take a look. I probably should have done this with my first, the original publication, but we learn, don't we? Oop. Well, it's packaged really well. Maybe I can edit this part out. All right. Beautiful. We're just going to get into it here. Okay. Well, they've packaged it very well. I don't know if this will be every copy, but it's certainly certainly worth protecting. Oh, this is a beauty. Same content, packaged beautifully by HarperCollins India. We have it's a soft cover. There is a hardcover, I believe, coming, but this is a soft cover in beautiful format. It has these wonderful tabs with, of course, I was lucky to have some wonderful people review the book and give me some quotes for the front cover. Max Sykes from Gabelli, Mario Gabelli himself, MOHNIsh PABRAI, Drew Estes, my friend from Banyan Capital, and of course, Guy Spier right here on the front. Just wonderful to see it again in another format, destined to go out for all of you in India. Pick it up. It is on Amazon in Amazon India. Just great. So hope everybody buys a copy. Please, if and when you do buy it, I would really appreciate a review wherever you do buy it. Please send me any comments, questions you have. Go to brkbook.com for all kinds of more goodies and some of the research materials that I used to research the book. It took me 5 years to make. Originally published in April. Now we have an edition going out in India starting next month, and within short order we're going to be having a South Korean translation as well as a Chinese translation. So this is a wonderful gift to start my weekend. I hope you all have a great weekend, and thanks for watching.